Hey guys, today we are looking at loose handbrake cables. To activate the handbrake, I have to pull it very high. As you can see, I pulled it few clicks up, but the wheel still spins very freely. So let's take a look at it and fix it. In my case, there are two connectors. The handbrake goes all the way up. It locks the wheels almost at the top. You will need wrench, in my case 13 millimeters. Don't forget to release handbrake before adjustment. Don't forget, when you release the handbrake, wheels have to rotate freely. If you tighten it too much, you will brake all the time. You may destroy your brake discs and pads. Wheel bearings may get damaged too.
but it's there. Wait for it to subside, put my mind up high, waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds.
Thank you for watching.